Seriously, how fast are you?
Well, under like 70 seconds.
Nice.
Some 70 to 90, I guess. I normally start 3x3 around 220, and it takes me like 40 seconds because it's hard to do algorithms on.
Oh.
She's at 45 and she's still doing centers right now.
Really?
Yeah. Centers.
I thought you were better than that.
Centers done at 48.
Dude, keep messing up, man.
I thought you were better than that usually.
She paired the edges wrong.
She just started pairing edges.
You jumped there to see the line.
It's not a pair, it's a triplet.
It's a dredge.
No, it's a trench, not a trench.
Same difference.
It's a difference.
It's called a thread.
It's called a pairing of obliques and
is
centers.
Is it a quad edge for a 6x6? Or
I don't know.
It's called doing 5.
Come on, man. Pair your obliques already.
you're an oblique.
I am not. I'm obviously an X center.
X centers are stupid.
Yeah, I like plus centers better. X centers are the corners of the centers, and plus centers are the edges of the centers.
What about obliques? Those are just the...
Those are the there's two identical ones on the edges.
Oh.
That's an oblique, I'm pretty sure. I don't even know. Whatever.
Yeah, who cares? So none of us are going to make the cutoff.
Yeah, pretty much.
Hey, I got a 251 yesterday.
Nice!
I could hit the soft and get 5 solves. You never know.
Dude, if I hit the solve and get 5 solves on the last one, I'll use my teaching, okay?
Okay. Oh, dude.
Or at least on one of them.
Dude, we should do one hand.
One-handed 5x5?
Yes.
Yeah, sub 10. I can sub 10 that. I average like 4.5 on 4x4 OH.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude,
Good job!
I average 4.5 on
219. Woo.